you're looking at how to pronounce these words as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So how do you pronounce those words? They look similar, they are pronounced very differently, and they of course have different meanings. The top word is this white powder made from cereals or wheat that you use for cooking, baking, for example. This is said as flour, the top word, flour in British English, or flour in American English. The bottom word is what you walk onto, what's on the ground when you are in a house, and this is said as floor. Floor, the bottom word, is said as floor in British English, or floor in American English. So flour versus floor. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.